Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. Learning English is fun, easy, and real. I am Anna, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom. I am very happy and very excited today. The weather is beautiful. The sun is warm and the sky is blue. How are you today, Anna?
I am wonderful, Tom. I feel very energetic. I love sunny days. When the sun shines, I want to go outside. I want to walk and see the world. How do you feel today, Tom?
I feel great. I feel very positive. Today is a special day because we are going to a special place. We are going to the local market. I love the market.
Oh, the local market is my favorite place. It is so full of life. But before we start our walk, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, give us a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe and tell us in the comments, do you like markets? Do you go to the market on Saturdays? We love to read your comments. Now let's start our journey to the market.
I am wearing my comfortable shoes today, Tom. To walk to the market, we need good shoes. The market is not far, but we walk a lot there. I have my big bag too.
That is a good idea, Anna. I have a big bag too. A reusable bag is good for the planet. The walk to the market is very pleasant. I see many people walking with their families.
Look at the flowers in the gardens, Tom. The red flowers and the yellow flowers are so pretty. I feel very calm when I walk in the morning. The air is fresh and clean.
I agree. The morning air is the best. I see the market now. It is at the end of this street. I can hear the people. I can hear the music. It sounds very busy and very happy.
I hear the people too. The market is a very noisy place, but it is a good noise. It is the noise of a community. Many people are talking, many people are laughing.
We are here, Anna. Look at all the stalls. A stall is like a small shop outside. There are many stalls today. There are stalls for fruit, stalls for bread, and stalls for flowers.
It is very crowded. Crowded means there are many people, but the people are very friendly. They say hello and they smile. I feel very welcome here.
Me too, Anna. I love the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the feeling of a place. The atmosphere here is very vibrant and very colorful. What do you see first, Anna?
I see the colors. I see the oranges. I see the green apples. I see the purple grapes. The colors are very bright. It is like a rainbow on the tables.
You are right. It is a rainbow of food. I am hungry now. Everything looks so fresh. Fresh food is better than supermarket food. It comes from the farms.
Yes, it is local food. Local means it is from near here. It is good to support our local farmers. They work very hard to grow this beautiful food for us.
Let's go to the fruit stall first. I need some fruit for my breakfast. I like to eat fruit every morning. It makes me feel healthy and strong.
I like fruit too. I eat an apple every day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That is a famous saying in English. Do you know that saying, Tom?
Yes, I do. It is a very good rule. Look at these apples, Anna. They are very big and very red. They look delicious. I want to buy 5 apples.
Let's talk to the seller. The seller is the person who sells the fruit. He looks very kind. He is wearing a green apron. Hello, sir. How are you today?
Hello. The seller says he is very well. He is very busy today because the fruit is very good. He says the apples are very sweet. I love sweet apples.
Ask him about the price, Tom. When we are at the market, we always ask, how much is it? Or how much are these? This is very important for English learners.
Excuse me, sir. How much are the red apples? He says they are $2 for 1 kilo. That is a very good price. $2 is cheap for fresh apples.
That is very cheap. I want a kilo too. And look at the bananas, Tom. The bananas are very yellow. They are not green. When they are yellow, they are ready to eat.
I like yellow bananas. I use them for my smoothies. Sir, how much are the bananas? He says the bananas are $1 for a big bunch. I will take 1 bunch, please.
Now we have apples and bananas. Our bags are starting to feel heavy, but we need more things. I need some strawberries. I love strawberries with yogurt.
Oh, the strawberries are over there. They smell wonderful. Can you smell them, Anna? The smell of strawberries is the smell of summer.
Yes, I can smell them. They smell sweet and fresh. I want to buy a small box of strawberries. Sir, are these strawberries from your farm?
He says yes. He picked them this morning at 5 o'clock. That is very early. He is a very hard worker. I am happy to buy his strawberries.
Learning the names of fruits is very useful. Let's repeat. Apples, bananas, strawberries, grapes, and oranges. These are basic words, but we use them every day.
Good idea, Anna. Repetition is the key to learning. Now I want to see the vegetables. I want to make a big salad for lunch. Salads are very healthy and fresh.
I see the vegetables next to the fruit. There are big green lettuces, there are red tomatoes, there are long orange carrots. The carrots look very crunchy.
I love crunchy carrots. I also need some onions and some garlic. Garlic makes every dish taste better. But be careful, don't eat too much garlic before a date.
That is true, Tom. Garlic has a very strong smell, but it is very good for your heart. I want to buy 3 onions and 1 head of garlic, please.
The seller is putting the vegetables in my bag. He is very fast. He uses a scale to weigh the food. A scale is the machine that tells us the weight in kilos.
We have a lot of food now. Our bags are very full. I feel very satisfied. Buying food at the market is an adventure. It is not like the supermarket.
You are right. In the supermarket, you are alone. At the market, you talk to people. You learn about the food. You see the faces of the people who grow the food.
It is a very human experience. It makes me feel connected to my city. Tom, do you have enough money? At the market, some people only take cash.
Yes, I have cash in my wallet. Cash is paper money and coins. Many sellers prefer cash. It is faster for them. I have $20. I think it is enough.
$20 is perfect. We have fruit, we have vegetables, and we still have some money for a treat. Maybe we can buy a piece of cake or some honey.
Honey. I love local honey. It is very good for a sore throat, and it tastes like flowers. Look, there is a lady selling honey in glass jars.
Let's go see her. Hello, ma'am. Your honey looks beautiful. Is it local honey?
She says yes. It is from the bees in the valley. That sounds very poetic.
I want 1 jar of honey, please. How much is it?
She says it is $5. That is a fair price for natural honey. I am very happy with my purchase.
We have everything now. We have apples, bananas, strawberries, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and honey. We are ready to go home and eat.
I am very hungry now. Talking about food makes me want to eat. But wait, Anna, we must say goodbye to our friends first. This was a very productive day.
You are right, Tom. Friends, thank you for walking with us today. We hope you learned many new words about the market and food. Remember, practice is very important.
Yes, practice every day. Go to your local market and try to use these words. Say hello, ask how much is it, and say thank you. It is very easy.
Please don't forget to like this video. If you liked our trip to the market, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel for more adventures.
We love having you here. You are part of our English family. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite fruit? I want to know. My favorite fruit is the mango.
My favorite fruit is the cherry. I love cherries. Thank you again, everyone. Have a wonderful, healthy, and happy day. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Happy learning.